Welcome Team Alpi. Today is October 21. It's a happy selling day. In this video, you will see the glimpse of fame. It is an RFO with limited unit. Let's grab the promo of 5590. Okay, also in this video, you will see how to compute. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can just message me later on. Let's go. Dito muna tayo mag-focus, no? Pag wala siyang discount, for example, ang list price niya is 5,114,000. Less discount, walang discount, blah. Then, 12% VAT, that is 613,680. And then, other charges, which is 8.5%, that is 434,690. Pag inad mo itong tatlong to, ang total amount payable ng client is 6,162,370. Okay, now, punta tayo dito sa 5590 natin. Ayan. Okay, ang list price is 5,114,000. Ito yung first discount natin. Dalawang discount natin less 200,000 tsaka less 20%. So, less 200,000 tapos less 20%. Ang 20% niya is list price minus 200,000, tsaka natin i-multiply ng 20% para makuha natin etong 982,800. Almost 1 million, no? Grabe. Actually, pag inad mo itong dalawa, itong A and B, total discount is 1,182,800. So, eto guys, nilagay ko na to kasi finigure out ko pa rin siya dahil para nakakalito. Pero ito parang hindi na kayo malito at may explain nyo na maigi sa inyong mga clients. Yan. So, list price minus 200,000. I-minus mo muna mo yun. Tsaka mo siya i-compute ng 20% to get this 982,800 na additional discount. Yan. Total discount niya, ito. Okay. Net list price. So, itong 5 million, hindi ko na nailagay Itong 5 million, less mo tong total discount. Yan. Ito na yung kanyang net list price. Yan yung net list price. Okay? Now, add natin syempre yung VAT. Again, dito na pupunta sa SMDC. Kundi sa, yes, BIR. 471,744. So, total contract price niya is 4 million. Plus other charges. Again, hindi siya hidden charges, but other charges. And you can watch the video natin yung frequently asked questions. Nandoon yung breakdown ng other charges, which is 334,152. Now, kung ito total mo na sila, yung net list price, VAT, and other charges, eto makuha natin. 4,737,096. Yan yung top or total amount payable. So, kung i-compare mo siya dito sa 6 million, sa 4 million, so more or less, nakameno siya ng, kayo na lang mag-compute niyan. Ayan. Okay, now payment terms. Itong promo natin ng 5590. Napakaganda. Wait Ayan, 5590. Okay, reservation fee, 50,000. 5% spot down payment, less reservation fee. Kaya natin nakuha tong 186,854.80. So again, ito, tinype ko na dito para hindi tayo malito. So total amount payable times yung spot na DP, which is 5%, less. Yan, tsaka nyo lang ililess yung reservation fee to get this 186. Okay, isa pang 5 ng 5590 is 5% down payment. Okay, so again, i-compute lang natin to, yung kanyang top by 5%, so 236,854, then divided by 12 months, yan ang kanyang magiging monthly, 19,000. Now, ang tanong, magkano ba upahan sa EDSA ngayon ng mga kondo? Pinakamababa, 20,000 per month. Yung average is 25,000 per month. Lalo na pag nakita nyo gano'ng kaganda yung fame. mapaparenta niya ng 25,000. So, mababayaran niya na yung monthly plus may tubo pa siya. Okay? So, tas 90% niya ang balance, yan, pwede niya bayaran ng cash na which is 4,263 or through bank na pwede niyang spread niya in 20 years. Na, yun nga, self-liquidating na lang yun kasi kung pinapaupahan niya naman siya ng 25,000 per month, bawing-bawi na yan. Okay, so guys, let's try to be more aggressive. Hanapin natin yung mga tao. FYI, limited lang yung supply. Later, papakita ko yung kung ano na yung stock natin. Okay, so yung mga may kamag-anak kayo sa Canada, sa Australia, sa Japan, imbis na kung saan nila madala yung pera nila at magastos, let's help them with this good opportunity to make their monies work for them. Alright? So guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions, again, message me or mag-message ko yan sa comment section yan sa YouTube. Now, kung gusto niyo personal, call me up. Okay, this is the second part of the video. This is Fame. I hope you enjoy. Fame Hall. Parking 50